pretty picture coming into view. Maybe I'm crazy, but everything seems hazy. I'm falling into lazy, it's what I wanna do. I'm a spinning, leaping dancer, but only in my head. I pass my time reclining, offers I'm declining, no autographs I'm signing, I do something else instead. I open up the door, I open up the door, I open up the door, I open up the door. It's what I'm living for, to open up the door, to open up the door, to open up the door. I feel I'm turning into something